In this video, we are looking out the site-to-site IPsec VPN configuration on ASA. We are looking out from CLI and the resulting configuration on CLI and talk about what are the different changes options make we command line interface and modify the tunnel. Now we are doing iOS to ASA tunnel and the goal of the tunnel is to route traffic from router 2 to router 1 or VPN in order to access resources on inside network. Router 1 connected on subnet 10.0.0.0/24. Now up to this point we are already interfaces configured. Now we have inside, outside we are basic routing configured. Exception in firewall policy, all traffic is denied coming from outside to inside in. So when the traffic goes in, VPN is allowed unless we specify that tell the ASA that VPN connection must be subjected to ACL filtering. And in other words, by default VPN tunnel treated like inside network. In site to site VPN, there are two different phases, phase 1 and phase 2. In phase 1, there are four attributes: encryption, authentication, hash, and Delman hash group. Therefore, are policy sets which we define in ASA according to router. And in second phase, who is the tunnel going to, and they are tunnel group controlled by ASA. What is to go inside the tunnel that ACL can control by this, and how can be traffic be treated, that is a transform set, that's an encryption and integrity check. So in phase 1, it's a bidirectional, only one security association has established. So in phase 1, there are the management tunnel has established, it is a for management purpose. So in phase 2nd, there are two different security associations. They are unidirectional. There are two different security associations is for data transmission and how data is encapsulation, encryption, and integrity check for hashing. First, we go to router 1 and check pre-configuration. Show run pipe section ISKMP. Here you see encryption is AES, authentication is configured pre-share, and group 1 is Delman HAP group 2. So here you see key Cisco and hard address is 12.0.0.254. Show access list now. Show run and transform set. And interesting traffic is 2.2.2.0 and it is going to 10.0.0.0. It's an inside ASA. And transform set is ESP AES and it is for encapsulation, and AES 256 is the encryption, and ESP MD5 HMAC. MD5 is the integrity check for hashing. So now we go to ASA and do configuration. Crypto ICMP policy 10. Encryption same AES. Hash is SHA. Group is 2. Authentication is pre-shared key. And exit. We do phase 1 complete as per the router 1's configuration, and now we can go to phase 2. Tunnel group 12.0.0.1. Type is IPsec L12. Tunnel group tunnel IPsec attributes, and its pre-shared key is Cisco. Now same the access list we configure here, but here is the source is 10 and the destination is 2. Crypto IPsec transform set, my set, ESP AES 256, ESP same in router 1. A crypto map outside map to set peer and same in a router 1's IP address. Crypto map outside map interface outside. Then we have completed the phase 1 and phase 2. Now login console 7. Now we go to initiate the traffic from router 1, loop back. Here you see encryption and decryption packets, encrypt packets and decrypt packets. And now go to copy the log from ASA to Notepad. Here you see phase 1 is completed, phase 2 is completed. Now we go to show commands to check show crypto ICCAM PSA. Here you see the responder state active means tunnel is okay. Here you see L2L is site to site. Now we have configured this phase 1 phase 2 in ASA. We check from some show commands, verify our packets is encrypted and decrypted. So I hope this video is informative for you. I like to thank you for viewing. If you do not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, share. Thanks.